Hey guys, it's Trinity with SENSE-ATIONAL, and today we're going to be making DIY lava lamps. Okay, so for this project you're going to need a water bottle as well as another cup to put half of the water bottle into, some vegetable oil, food dye, super glue, and possibly if you'd like some glitter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our water and we're going to pour half of our water out. I would prefer into another glass just because you can save it for later. Do this about halfway. From here we are then going to fill the rest up with our oil. Today I'm using vegetable oil, but any type of oil is fine. So we're going to be filling it back up almost to the top, but leave a little bit of space left. You're going to be adding in your food dye and your glitter if you would like to. For this one you are going to put in about 5 or 6 drops. But since I'm doing 2 colors, I'm going to be doing 3 of each color. And then for the glitter, you can put in as much as you'd like, but I like to put in. So from here, after everything's in it, we're going to be using super glue and we're going to put it around the rim of the lid. By doing this, we are ensuring that the lid is going to stay on tight. And if you're a child, I would advise an adult to do this, as it can get quite messy. And from here, you can take your bottle and shake it up. And then watch it slowly separate back to the way it was before. I hope you enjoyed making this DIY project. Come back next week for another.